Hello, I'm Jenny Elliott, and in this video I'm going to explain why you should use Canva to liven up your blog posts. So let's get started. Did you know that blog posts or articles with images get viewed 94% more than those without? This came from the blog of Jeff Bullis. Obviously then, images are great additions to your blog posts and will make them more engaging. So too will videos. Even if you know nothing about graphic design, you will soon become an expert by using this tool. What is Canva, you may well ask? It is a cloud-based graphic design tool that has both a free version and a pro or paid version. I have been using the free version for around 5 years now, and I'm very happy with it. Nevertheless, you can get even more templates and elaborate designs with the pro version. You can sign up for a Canva account by using the link below this video, and once you have set up your account, your homepage will look something like this. This graphic design tool will help you to create specialized images suitable to your blog posts. There are many free designs and templates for you to choose, including infographics. The templates run across the top of the page just below the blue block, and your own designs are below that. If you want an image in a particular size, you can go to the Create Design purple button on the top right and choose Custom Size. Then you can use pixels, inches, centimeters or millimeters for the height and width. You can upload your own photos to use or other images that are not copyright by going here to Uploads. In addition to making images for your blog posts, you will also find templates for Pinterest pins, Facebook posts, Instagram images, and even more. All the images you make or design are stored on your homepage at canva.com under Recent Designs. So now let's take a look at some of the designs you might want to use for your blog or for social media. Creating a banner image for your website or blog is a must and is very simple. My website is about working online with affiliate marketing. I looked for a template that had a suitable image and was clean and uncluttered, and chose this one. I checked the size of the header image on my website and set up a custom size accordingly. I really liked this one, so I changed the size and colour of the text to fit with my own colours, reworked the wording and added a border. Here is the result that you will see at the top of my website, she'sbringinghomethebacon.com. The branding of your business is incredibly important, and Canva also provides the answer with its logo templates. Here is one that I made for my business. Alongside it is another that I made for a non-profit website that I manage. It has a radio show called the Conservative Thought Hour. Infographics are a great way to illustrate something complicated in a simple way. There are many templates for you to use on Canva, but I made my own. Here are 2 different designs of exactly the same information. You should definitely use featured images for each of your blog posts, especially knowing that images will get you more views. I have another website about women's golf, whatsinthegolfbaggirls.com. If you decide to use a photo and add text for your featured image, as I have done here, do make sure that the photo aligns with the subject of your blog post. Next, we'll talk about giving your YouTube videos a professional look with Canva designed thumbnails. Even though you can use one of the images from the video itself, it is much more impressive if you use a Canva template for it. Here are 3 different templates that I have used for some of my videos. Pinterest pins can be fun to make. There are heaps of templates to choose from. Here are 2 that I made, one from a template and one from a photograph with added text. They are both effective and eye-catching. There are also designs for Facebook posts, Instagram images, and document and resume design, as well as many more. I could go on and on about what you can design. However, I think the best thing is for you to set up your own account and play with the images. Become your own graphic designer and liven up your blog posts.